5 facts about the hummingbird. 1. Hummingbirds love the color red. Hummingbirds are naturally attracted to things that are red. Many people believe that hummingbirds like red flowers because they typically have the most nectar. 2. They have astounding spatial memory. They are able to remember feeder locations years later. They are also able to keep track of bloom peaks and remember which flowers they have visited. 3. Their heartbeats are insane. It beats as fast as 1,260 beats per minute. 4. They have excellent eyesight. Hummingbirds can perceive colors outside our spectrum but can't smell anything. 5. They eat large amounts of food. Some estimates show hummingbirds can eat up to 8 times their body weight in a single day.